Hey guys, let's see how to set up Visual Studio Code for C programming. So there are three steps involved. First is to download and install a compiler. The second is to add some extensions for Visual Studio Code, and third to create a .c extension file. So let's open up the browser and search for MinGW64. Click on enter. And the first link here is from sourceforge.net. Open up this link and here head to files and down here click on MinGW64 install.exe, or else you can just search for MinGW64 VS Code, and the first link here is from code.visualstudiocode.com. Click on this link. You can scroll down and click on this one, so download will start automatically. Or else you can just click this. Either way is fine. Okay, now let's open this file. Click on yes. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Click on finish. Okay, the installation is done. Now let's open up the C drive. Program files and MinGW64 and open up this bin. Just follow these steps and copy this, and now let's search for edit environment variables for your account and click on path, click on edit, click on new and paste, click on OK and click on OK. That's it. The compiler is added to the path. Now let's add some extension for Visual Studio Code. I assume that you have already installed Visual Studio Code, or else you can check out this video to see how to install Visual Studio Code. And let's head to extensions and search for C, C++. And add these extensions from Microsoft. Click on install, and you also add this code runner. Click on install. We are almost done. Now let's create a new file. Let's name this main.c. Click on enter, and we'll write some basic C code. Before you run this code, we have to change one setting. Go to settings and click on extensions, and then click on run code configuration and check this box where it says run in terminal, and that's it. Okay, the setup is completed. Thanks for watching.